Okay guys, welcome to Phetchabun. We're up in the mountains here. This is a school we're actually looking at here. I'm going to do a video around this small village. This is a Hmong village, hill tribe people primarily anyway. And there's a lot of them here. The hill tribe people are popular as a tourist destination in Chiang Mai. But around here, there's a lot more. It seems like there's a lot more of them. And it's not little kids with their hand out begging for money, you know. This is where they live. This is how they live. They're farmers, and they're amazing that they can farm the sides of these mountains. That is for sure. But we're going to do a video of the village. I don't know what we'll see, how much we'll see, but it's primarily hill tribe people. It's pretty cool actually. It's a crazy side of a mountain, small roads, lots of dogs. Speaking of dogs, one left this mark right there. Dogs are good at that, wet concrete and dogs. From the school, we go down. Basketball here. Got a couple of young ladies, 3 young ladies over there playing takraw. School seems to be just getting out. Look at the roots. See the tree roots? Seems to be roosters everywhere. There's one in the tree right there. There's another one under this roof somewhere. I could hear them. We started up there. It's a little foggy, hazy, unfortunately. All these mountains over that way are all farmed, and mostly cabbage it looks like. You can see the houses are dotted through everywhere. Some are very nice. There's some being built behind me here that's really nice. As you can see, there's not a level spot anywhere. There's a motorbike coming here quite fast. How is it going to be nice? I got him to smile by waving. It always works. Let's go see what they're doing. Check that out. I've seen a lot of ways to get the corn off the cob, but that's different. That's a piece of bamboo, it looks like. No, it can't be bamboo, is it? Burning the cobs, you see that? How cool's that, huh? Grandma's not too sure of me. That's something else, huh? They speak a language that I don't understand. One of many. That is really cool. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye, Grandma. Bye. About the truck. I did a video once on a new one like this. Cool. This grass here is what they use to make a broom. Just about every broom in Thailand is made out of that stuff. And the brooms are getting expensive. The boss is complaining. Got a cow. And a one-eyed, purple-headed rooster. Oh, where's your other eye? You been fighting? Probably, yeah. Probably. I didn't realize they were Christian. I did a video up there, that's why I came here. It's not done yet. That place is going to be something when it is done though. Looks like a market in here. Although it's not right now. We just got the one stall selling fabric, I guess. All of that stuff goes into that pickup truck, yeah? And you got a tent just like mine in the pickup truck. That's cool. Maybe they can't fold theirs up either. Just like me. There's a little girl over here learning how to walk. She was none too impressed a couple of minutes ago. That's for sure. It's just restaurants here. This guy's makes baskets. He's not too impressed. Not too interested. Look at all the birds he's got. The lady with the baby on her back. What's so noise? Smells like a rice meal. Which it might be. Restaurant and fresh produce. You just gotta wait first. It works every time. Almost every time. It works for the ladies normally. Nice doing donuts. See the sausage. Check out the gas station. 2 oil drums in there. 45-gallon drums, you know. And there's grandma with a baby on her back. Ooh, what is that? Corn, maybe? I think corn. Yeah, maybe they're going to feed it to the cows or something. You can see the new and the old, you know. There's a couple of dogs over here. Not too inviting. You see this place? That's all bamboo, huh? They split the bamboo. Oh, that one as well. See all the new bamboo shoots? This is why people think bamboo can grow 300 feet in a day. You send out one long spike and then it turns into a tree after it gets tall. You see how many new ones there are? Unbelievable, all in one spot. And it goes all the way up the side of the hill like that. Hundreds of new trees in the making. Cool flowers, huh? Okay, well that's about it. It's an interesting village, very friendly people, very hard to see anything because it's all hills and tiny roads. Look at these places, 600 baht a night to sleep right here.